Welcome to episode 9. Today we're exploring the different types of data you can store in Python variables. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. It's crucial to understand what type of data you're working with. Python has several built-in data types: text, numeric, sequence, mapping, set, boolean, and binary types. Each serves a different purpose. You can get the data type of any object by using the type function. For example, if x is 5, type x tells us it's an integer. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value. Hello world is a string. 20 is an integer. 20.5 is a float. 1j is a complex number. We also have lists, tuples, ranges, dictionaries, sets, and frozen sets. We'll explore these data structures in depth in future episodes. Don't forget the boolean type, which can be true or false, and the none type, representing the absence of a value. Finally, we have binary types like bytes, byte array, and memory view, used for handling binary data. If you want to specify the data type, you can use constructor functions like str, int, or float. This is called casting. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm. Create a variable x with the value 10.5. Print its type. Then cast it to an integer using int, and print the type again. 10 seconds. Go. Did you get it? First it's a float, then using intx converts it, so the type becomes integer. Easy. Great work. Review this chapter and keep practicing. Join me in the next episode titled Python Numbers. See you then.